In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your Facebook event into Google Calendar. To add your Facebook event in Google Calendar, open the Facebook app and search for events. Here search events. Here you will find some events which is happening near you. Find an event which you want to add your Google Calendar. Let's open this one. Here is the event. Let's say we want to add this on our Google Calendar. Tap on the three dot and here you will find invite people, share, add to calendar and find support or report event. Select add to calendar. You have to select the email address to use the calendar. Let's select this one. Here a message said added to calendar. That means this event is added in our Google Calendar. Let's go to Google Calendar and check this event is added to our Google Calendar or not. Here we are on the calendar and here let's go to next month and here you will find the event. Go to the event details. Here is the event and event agendas, details, everything is here. If you want to edit this, you can edit the event from here, or if you want to remove this event from Google Calendar, tap on the three dot and here you will find delete. You can delete this event from the calendar. Friends, that was today's video. By this way you can add an Facebook event to your Google Calendar. If this video was helpful for you, please give a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.